As the pandemic continues, we're keeping an eye on coronavirus case numbers in our area. Yesterday, Missouri reported 310 new cases, down slightly from the last update Saturday. We'll get new numbers from Kansas today. The state reported 993 new cases on Friday, and that covers the time from Wednesday to Friday. It's the highest number in more than a week. Here's a look at the rate of positive tests in both states over the last 7 days. In Kansas, 10.3% of tests are coming back positive. It's 6.5% in Missouri. As cases rise, face masks are now being required in more places. So here's a reminder about new and adjusted mandates you might see in your travels around the metro. On the Missouri side, Platte County will now require face coverings in public. That rule starts Thursday. North Kansas City extended its mandate until August 1st. The rule in Kansas City, Missouri, as we've seen, will stay in place indefinitely. Kansas Governor Laura Kelly, of course, announced a statewide mask mandate that's in place right now. Most counties in our area have adopted it. Some people, though, are exempt from the rules, the mandates. Young kids, people with disabilities, anyone who's been told not to wear a mask by a medical professional. You also don't need a mask while you're eating or drinking. Makes sense. You can see a full list of those exceptions at KMBC.com. Happening today, the Kansas City, Missouri Health Department is offering free COVID-19 testing for workers in one particular industry. KMBC 9's Matt Evans is live this morning to bring us up to speed on that. Hi, Matt.
Good morning, Cody. This was initially targeted for restaurant workers in Kansas City, but now some of the open slots are open to the general public. This testing that's happening right now by the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, the Kansas City Health Department, the National Guard here on site assisting. You can see where the tent is set up back here in this parking lot of a facility here in South Kansas City at 5000 Bannister Road, the home field sports facility. This testing began at 7 o'clock this morning, will continue until 7 o'clock tonight, both today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday. You do have to pre-register. You have to make an appointment. You can do that by going to the city's website. There's a link right on the front page, or you can call the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. The number's on your screen right now. Health Department leaders saying that getting restaurant workers tested is a big step as things start to reopen. By nature, restaurants are social places. People often work in close quarters, and as restaurants start to reopen their doors, more and more people will be inside, potentially exposing the employees there. There are about 2,000 tests that are available over the course of the next 3-day period. Again, the big goal is to get most of those to restaurant workers here in Kansas City, but now this testing site is open to the general public so people can take part in testing. If they are not restaurant workers, you just have to make sure you sign up ahead of time. We're live in Kansas City this morning. Matt Evans, KMBC 9 News.
All right, Matt, thank you. Secretary of Education Betsy DeVos is pushing for states to reopen schools this fall. That's despite concerns from health experts. Secretary believes that there's nothing, she says, that indicates kids will be in danger by returning to the classroom.
There is nothing in the data that would suggest that kids being back in school is dangerous to them. Kids need to be in school. They need to be learning. They need to be moving ahead, and we cannot be paralyzed and not allow that or not be intent on that happening.
Now, the CDC guidelines for schools to reopen include keeping desks placed 6 feet apart, using face coverings. CDC also suggests closing community areas like lunchrooms, dining rooms, and playgrounds, and installing physical barriers like sneeze guards, they say, where necessary. Hey, if you are in need of personal protective equipment, and who isn't nowadays, there's a website that can help. KCPPE.com has a list of local businesses selling masks, face shields, and yes, even hand sanitizer. And you can compare all the prices and order right from the site.